Hello, my name is Vivian. Welcome to my channel. My channel Cooking Bombs, all about Asian food and Chinese food. Today I'm going to make this tofu dish from Sichuan. Very tasty and very unique. You probably never had before. And stay with me to the end. I reveal a secret ingredient to make this dish live. When you serve on the table, actually, he can dance or she can dance. So stay with me. So first, we are going to boil some water and put the tofu in the steamer, which I already did. Here you see the tofu. I cover with a plastic wrap the tofu in here. It's soft tofu. We steam about 8 to 10 minutes. Then we prepare the sauce. So for this sauce, we have some chopped ginger and black fermented soybeans. Those are kind of salty and fermented. You can get them from any Asian market, like something like this bag. So chop the ginger, then the beans we are going to chop them to cutting board. Just cut them a little small. This is my first VR180 video, and so I invite you to my kitchen. This is the kitchen I cook every day, every single day. Now it's quiet, but later my kids will be back. They'll be so crowded, it will be so loud, and while they're screaming, you probably won't be able to even hear me. So here I chop some fermented beans. Actually, they smell very good. They grate with ginger. So next step is, we are going to make the sauce. Let me check the tofu. The tofu has been steaming about 8 minutes, 10 minutes. So put on the side. Hot. We get a pan. So this pan, it's easy to see the sauce. So on high heat, we put cooking oil in. One of my favorite oil we use a lot in Sichuan. This is coriander oil. About 3 tablespoons. Usually I use my wok over there. This one. But today we're just making the sauce, so we use this one. We use this small pan. It's good enough to make the sauce. Comment below here, let me know if you use Google Cardboard or what kind of headset you're using watching the video. And tell me if I need to make more of these. I really love the VR videos. So fun, like you are in there. I feel like now I'm cooking with you. So you are in my kitchen, I show you how to make this. And next week, I'm going to trip. I'm going to do more cooking on the beach. That'll be nice. Okay, so first, when the oil is hot, we put ginger in. Ginger, I'm still in my yoga clothes. And black beans. Stir fry them for a couple minutes. Add a color. Of course, we are going to add my favorite soy sauce. This is one of my favorite brands. hear the sizzling. Some sugar. Sugar in. Going to add some water. Now it smells really good. Some more soy sauce. Look at the sauce. So we cook the sauce, thickening the sauce. So now get some cornstarch, thickening the sauce in a little bowl. And add some water. Mix. Then pour the cornstarch water in the sauce. Getting much thicker. There. So now we turn off the heat. Bring the tofu out. Careful, it's really hot. So hopefully the tofu is okay in one shape. Let's check. Yes, tofu is totally nicely plated on this. We're going to put the sauce on top. Sauce we just made. Move the soy sauce. So we pour the sauce over the tofu. Like that. Ooh. This is out of the world good. Look at that. Look. Turning 360 to just show you. Alright, last step. Make it fancy. We got some dried bonito. You don't have to do this, but just some fun. I should add some flavor. While it's hot, add some fish flakes. Fish flakes on the top. You can see it's just dancing. Look at that. Look at that. Tasting time. So let's dive in. Try this tofu. So good. Move it closer. Take a corner. And for sure you have to take some sauce. Like that. Ooh. So make sure to take some sauce. Oh, I can't wait. I'm in heaven. I will have more. You try some? You should try some with me. Oh, so good. I can eat a lot of rice with this. In the sauce, also great with rice. God. I can't stop eating. Okay. If you like this, please subscribe, turn the notification bell, and I will see you next week. Bye.